Import. Quick import function can help you open and manage large component and assembly more quickly and easily. Now, let's take a look. Select the Quick Import command from Quick Primer tab. Select an assembly file to import. It will only take a few minutes to open an assembly file with over 800 components. Now, you can view all the components and the whole assembly structure. A feather mark is displayed next to the component name, which means that they are lightweight data without geometric information. The unloaded components can be changed. Open the component. And select AD Import Path in the right-click menu of the Import node in the History Manager. Then, select another file to replace it. If you need to check the geometric information of the component, just right-click the node and select Load Model. Then, the component will be loaded with the geometric information, and the feather mark will disappear. Now you are able to edit and measure the model, such as PMI annotation. And of course, you can load the geometric information of the whole assembly by selecting Load All Models in right-click menu of the top assembly. The upgraded Quick Import functions in ZW3D 2021 makes the import of large and complex assemblies more flexible.